Alright, hi! Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any amazing videos. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a easy glitter smoky eye. Everybody wants glitter eyeshadow. Everybody wants a smoky eye. But I need a fast, quick version, and I don't want a mess of glitter all over the rest of my face. So I'm going to show you how to do that with some really easy, quick steps. So keep watching if you want to learn more. So this is going to be kind of part get ready with me video, part instructional tutorial. So I'm just going to walk you guys through how to do this really easy glitter smoky eye. So you want to start off with your eyeshadow primer. This is Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base from NARS. This is my favorite eyeshadow primer of all time. I just swipe it on my fingers and I'm going to put it on my lids. My mirror is on this little makeup table, so that is what I'm looking at when I look down. So I'm just going to put the primer on my eyelids. Boom. Easy enough. So the reason why I really like this primer is it does not show up white, chalky, and ashy on people with deep dark skin tones. So I mean, it does have like a little white cast, but it doesn't look too crazy. So you are really able to create eyeshadow looks and not have to worry about that. So what is the trick to this easy smoky glitter eye? A glitter eyeshadow stick. So this is Mally's Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra in the shade Foxy. Now you don't have to have Mally's, but this is a good one and I like it and it's cute. But there's also NYX, ELF, NARS. So many different companies have shadow sticks that are glittery. So this is going to be a really easy way for you to achieve that look. So I'm going to take Foxy and put it right to my eye. So I'm going to close my eye. And I'm going to bring it across the whole eyelid. So this is the eyelid, a little bit above the crease. And I'm going to make it like a perfect little half moon. And I want to make sure it's from the lashes to that part. So you might have to go back and do right above the lashes, because people always think they put eyeshadow there and then you realize you didn't. So boom. Eyeshadow is there. See how my eye already looks like? Yes, like my eye's already doing it. I didn't even put any makeup on for real. So second eye, boom. And the great thing about these shadow sticks is that they're creamy. They usually do not pull or tug at your skin for the most part. I mean, it does help I put the primer on, but okay, there we go for that eye. And we got a little messy. There we go. Wipe that down there. And there we go. So now we have the glitter. Glitter is there. It's super pretty. And that was easy. So the glitter's already there. Then the next thing you want to do is take a matte shadow that is a darker shade than the glitter. So with this one, it's like a bronzy kind of glitter. So I'm going to use Embark by MAC, which is a matte brown eyeshadow. So as you can see, there's the pan. This is the best eyeshadow from MAC. Like if you could only buy one MAC eyeshadow for your whole life, buy Embark, because what you could do is use it to just smoke out any look, and you could also use it to set your eyebrows. It's like the color that does it all. It's the hardest working eyeshadow in the makeup game. Like, you need Embark by MAC. So what you're going to do is take your brush, stick it in the eyeshadow, and you're going to come in from this outer corner and just put a little dark like triangle in that outer edge part of the glitter. So, and then you're going to want to blend that line at the top just a little so it looks less harsh. Then what you're going to do is start to blend that darker brown like to the halfway point of the eye, but keeping it the darkest on the outside. So you definitely want to go back to that outer corner, try to define it and get like that little cat eye situation going. And then you want to just blend out that harsh line. Boom. So I hope it's picking up on the camera how gorgeous this is, because this is a really pretty color. And then you want to start to just pull that darker color over a little, but make sure it is the boldest over there. So see, already almost done. I'm going to go to that other eye. Same thing with the brown. Close it a little bit, put that dark outer triangle and blend that top line a little. Then we want to start going over and blending it there. Go back for a little more shadow, just so we can make that outer corner really dark. And blend, blend, blend that brown in. Now the reason why I say you want to use a matte color instead of glitter is I personally feel like glitter shadows are too much. Like, I like to have the one glitter color that's gonna like stand out and we blend over it, because I mean in theory in real life this is just making it a darker brown glitter. Like, it's still a glitter underneath that matte, but if you take another glitter and stick it on top of the matte, then it's like that's just too many glitters now, because glitter in theory is already mixed with a whole bunch of other glitters. Like, it's not just one type of glitter in there, there's like multiple glitters to create that dimensional look. So if you were to then take another glitter shadow and put it on top of that other glitter, now you really have like 5 different types of glitters, and it's a lot going on. So I'm gonna grab a paper towel real quick so we can clean up underneath, and then I'm gonna come in with the close-up look so that way you guys can see the glitter. Okay, so I just took a paper towel and kind of got some of that brown fallout from underneath my eye, but I'm just going to come in close so that way you guys can see. There you go. So as you can see, it starts off with the lighter glitter shade and goes like into that brown shade. So that is how you do an easy glitter smoky eye. Now, like I said, you can use different powders and primers and mixing mediums and glue and stuff if you want to put glitter on your eyelid, especially that chunky 3D coarse kind of glitter. But if you just want a fast glittery smoky eye, I really think that these shadow sticks are the way to go. They're really opaque and they go on easily. You don't have to do multiple layers in order to get that full color, and it really just makes it so simple. So really try these eyeshadow sticks. Like I said, this is Mally's Evercolor shadow stick. I think it's great, but there's so many different brands that have eyeshadow sticks. So and you could do this technique with any eyeshadow stick, but I just like to do it with glitter because it gives it that extra pop. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more short tutorials like this video, make sure you like this video and leave a message in the comments below. So have a great day and see you in the next video.